My name is Riyanshu Kumar Sinha. I am of section 20, first year E student. My roll number 203026. This is my second DIY project. I have made a fire alarm system which works on the leakage of LPG gas and avoid the accidents by spraying water if the temperature in the surrounding rises above a certain limit. It is a very good way to avoid the accident due to the LPG gas leakage. So let me show you how it works in a few minutes. First, I use the Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, a motor, a piezo, resistor, temperature sensor, a gas sensor, oscilloscope and ammeter. So here what I did, I first connected the gas sensor, it's all the positive terminals with the 5 volt, and the other 3 terminals, one is grounded, the other one is also grounded by the help of resistor, and the third terminal is connected to the analog pin A0 which gives the reading of the gas sensor. So now I have connected this 5 volt voltage source to the positive terminal also on this side, and the ground source of 0 volt by black wire to the negative terminal. Now I also connected a piezo from where his positive terminal is connected with pin number 12 and negative terminal is connected with the grounded wire. In the same way, I connected the water pump in which the positive terminal is connected with the pin number digital pin 3 PWM, and the negative terminal is connected with ground wire. Also, I have connected the voltmeter with the water pump, or you can call it the motor, and also the oscilloscope with the piezo. And this is the connection of temperature sensor in which the middle terminal is connected to the analog pin A1 which gives the reading of temperature. This is the positive wire, this is the negative or ground wire. So in this way my system is ready. Now let me show you what is the logic behind of working. So my codes are: first, I made available gas sensor valve. Then after that it takes the reading of analog pin A0, then it prints the reading of analog pin A0. After that, if there is a value of the gas sensor more than 25, then the pin 12 is automatically set on high. It will for 1 second, or then also for then it goes to low. Otherwise, in any other condition, it is in the low position. So after that, I made another variable which is known as temperature value. The temperature value read the value from the analog pin A1, print this, and if both the value of the gas sensor is greater than 25 and temperature value is greater than 258, which is equivalent to 78 degrees Celsius, in that case the pin 3 is set to high, and if this condition is not satisfied, then the pin is set to low. And I have used the AND operator because since during making the food or cooking the temperature is always greater than 100 degrees Celsius, so in that case it might be that my water pump start, and due to which the we are not able to cook the food. So it is essential that leakage is happening as well as the temperature is greater than 70 degrees Celsius. So I had put it in more than 70 degrees Celsius because the ignition temperature of LPG gas is around 450 degrees Celsius. So it works efficiently. Now let me show you how it works. So let's start the simulation. So you are able to see the simulation. So here you are able to see that there is reading. When I take the gas source very far away, the piezo stops buzzing sound. When we took it near, then it starts buzzing. The temperature sensor reading is 20 degrees Celsius, and that's why the motor is not running. When the temperature is more than 80, the motor starts running and water starts showering. But if the gas sensor is far away, the motor also stops even if the temperature is more. So in this way my system works. Thank you. Now let me show you the code in the text format. So I pin the code. This is my code in block form. Let me show you from the upper portion. And now on the right side my code is in text form. So I copy the whole code and just paste it into the Arduino Uno IDE block. So I am pasting it and I will run it. So after running, it will take a lot of smart time. So it is showing success. So my code is working. Absolutely. Thank you.